Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. Today we're gonna do a little spring makeover in the dining room. So come along and let's see what I found from Target and HomeGoods to make this a little more bright and springy. So last year I decided to do magnolias was my big theme because we have a huge magnolia tree outside. That's my favorite flower. So I thought it felt perfect to do it in the dining room. But it's been a year. Abby, my daughter, likes to stack our plates for us every night. And so they're a little worn, a little worn out. So we're just going to remove all of this, but we'll keep it because we may bring it back sometime. Over here we have just our greenery because I did move the magnolias into my living room on top of my fireplace. So I just wanted to make a few updates and changes, and it's just a fun way to, I don't know, bring spring into your home. I don't remember when I started loving magnolias, but I do know that it was because of my grandma. My grandma Audrey, my dad's mom, loved magnolias. I feel like it's like the flower of the South. She was a strong woman, and I wanted them at my wedding so bad, but it was not like, you can't have magnolias for your wedding. My roommate had decided to make a bouquet of a fake one. They didn't work out, but I have loved magnolias since a little girl. And so it just meant so much to me when we bought this house that there was this huge magnolia tree in my yard. I'm originally from Charleston, South Carolina. There are magnolia trees everywhere there. I grew up with them in my yard there. So that's kind of where my love for magnolias came. So I'm just super excited that I was able to bring it into my home, and I'll never not like magnolias. They're a beautiful flower. And just a little history on why I love magnolias so much, and my grandma, but she loved them as well. And so I don't know, it's just something about a beautiful magnolia tree. We've got our blank slate. Everything's cleaned off. We took some pledge and made sure we got everything cleaned up. So now let's start bringing some new things back in. And I'm gonna be honest, I had a vision. I always have a vision, but sometimes the stores don't work out with your vision, and that's okay. I had to kind of adjust, and I may even adjust things as we go today. Just kind of, try to get all these pieces working together. Some of the things I got for Christmas, Asa bought me decorations, and so I don't know. We're gonna see how it works out, and you guys can come along and comment down below and let me know your thoughts on different things. I'll ask you questions throughout the video. First things first is a table runner. I decided to go with a little Easter, rabbit, bunny theme. This is an easy way to make changes because even if you don't change the place settings, you could still just change your runner and you'll have a whole different look. So right after Easter, I may end up doing that, just putting something else in the middle of the table. And it's an easy fix, but you still have everything else around it. This is the face that you make when it doesn't work out like your vision. Okay, these look like plastic plates sitting on top of, it's not gonna work. Okay, we're gonna regroup. we gotta start something different. I have a vision. My cameraman is gonna help me with this vision, right? Okay. So I was worried about it being crowded, but we're gonna be a little extra this year. We're gonna go for the crowding. So I'm just gonna put these down because I do like these. I actually got these on clearance at HomeGoods. I think they were like $5 for a package of, I wanna say 12 came in here. So I like these. I'm going to, those plates, I wish they would have worked, but okay, a little tip. These chargers, I get these at Hobby Lobby for $1, okay? They were marked down to $1.99 and then they had them marked down again. I got them for $1. If you go to Target, their chargers were $10 a piece. That's insane. Don't buy your chargers from Target. So I'm gonna reuse these because they do have that green pastel spring color. I'm just gonna do it. I didn't want to, but I didn't find what I wanted, so we're gonna make it work. And then I'm gonna move this candle set, and this is actually one of my platters for my charcuterie, so I'm gonna reuse that. I like the height that it gives, but I'm gonna put these flowers in the middle here because this is something that can easily be moved when we have more people over for dinner. So it works out perfect. And I can, you know, switch out the flowers as needed, but these colors work perfect for the vibe that I'm going for. So I'm super excited about that. And I've got a little bit of a sparkle because you always have to have sparkle, but you don't want a ton of sparkle. I mean, I don't. So we're gonna make this work. It's working. My vision is happening. It didn't happen the way I thought it would, but that's okay. Sometimes it looked like a kid's Easter party. It was not good. But I told Asa I bought it knowing, like, I didn't have confidence that it was gonna look good, so it's okay. I like that. Do you like that? I got these from Target. They had different kinds. It's a vase filler, but you could also just put them around the bottom of the vase. I don't know. We'll see. I might end up moving them, but for now they're gonna go here. So this is something I bought last year and I'm gonna reuse it. It's really cool to like put it on something and then buy the flowers and stick the flowers in there. So that's what we're gonna do with this. So I'm just gonna kind of play around with it, see how I want to place it. Asa's the best one at doing this kind of thing. Like, I have my visions. I talk about this all the time, but he actually implements them and makes them look good. That is not you have to know. You have to know what you're good at. Don't be afraid to ask for help. So I was thinking about this and I think I want it to just be like that. And then put the flowers in there. What do you think about that? You know, like, we'll get the flowers and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But I really think, and then put this down here. Like that. So I got this little bunch of flowers and I like that blush color. Kind of goes with the Easter springy theme. And that's what I was talking about. Like, I could stick these in here like this. Oh. And you're supposed to do, I think it's supposed to be odd numbers when you decorate. So like you wouldn't want to do 4. You'd want to do 3 or 5. These are messy. They weren't messy when I first picked them up. So I'm going to put these in here, but they're probably going to be in the trash within a week because the cat is going to have a field day with this. And they're super messy. Don't ever buy messy decorations. Like, I don't even want to split them up. I just want to stick them in there. Not mess with them too much. I'm just going to kind of stick them in. Oh my gosh. Okay. Not a good purchase. I have no idea what I'm doing right now. Disclaimer, your girl is not an interior decorator, okay? I'm really good at coming up with ideas. I like to have a nice place. I like the thought of decorating. It's the implementing it that I struggle with. Interior decorators are cringing right now. This is what happens when you let a girl go to Home Goods by herself. Even Sandy came to see what was happening in here. Ace is probably struggling being behind the camera. I should do another channel where I like cuss through decorating. That would be the real me. How's it looking from that end? From this end, it looks like a hot mess. I feel like these aren't the right things. What are your thoughts, sir? We have this utensil holder, but it kind of goes with the light wood because we're going lighter, brighter for spring. So you just put some filler in the bottom and then we'll put the Easter eggs in here and it'll be super cute. I'm so excited. There you go. That, And then this worked out. So, little tip, okay? You take your greenery, you put your stuffing in first, like whatever your filler is, and then put your big flowers. That's what I was doing wrong. So it worked out perfect. I love it. It's super simple, but it's cute, and we're ready for spring. Guys, I always reuse my flowers everywhere, so I don't want to cut these because like you're committing to whatever size you cut it to. So I'm just going to take the bottom and bend them, because I actually got 2 bouquets of the 3 flowers, but it ties the whole room in together by putting this over here. So I'll do them different lengths, right? And it'll just give us that pop and really bring it in together. Another little tip is bend the flower at the top, because flowers don't come out like this. They kind of go like that. Okay, got it? Not like this, like that. So bend the top of your flower so that it looks better, because you don't want to see like the bottom. You're just going to see the bottom, so you have to tip it. It makes sense, right? And we took those crazy stems that we had and we tied them into the real flowers. So everything kind of has a flow about it. It has a flow. Last thing, we have to put the wreath on the door, and then it's perfect. I'm so excited how it worked out. This wreath, it's the same flowers, but different color. So I didn't want to have all of one color. It does have a little tie at the top. I'm not going to get rid of it because I may reuse it on another door. But for this purpose, I do want to just hang it like that. And then I'm going to fluff the flowers and hide the hanger. So that's it. I'm so excited with how this turned out. I wasn't sure how I was gonna like it, but everything kind of worked together. You know, we had to make some modifications, but just have fun with it when you're trying to decorate one of your rooms in your house. It's supposed to be fun, but I'm so glad it worked out. Everything kind of ties in together, and the thing is you can always buy things and then take them back if you don't use them. So it's kind of the mindset I had going into this is I'm going to get this. If it doesn't work, then I can take it back. Comment down below and let me know what your favorite part of my decorations today was. As always, thank you so much for watching. Hit that thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't done so, and we will see you next time. Bye guys.